Hello, hello my friends. Sylvia here from Sylvan Starlight Creations and welcome back. As many of you know, I am super excited about my brand new handmade spray inks. They're still available at the super low introductory price through May 2021. And the more you get, the more you save with our fabulous bundle and save offer. I have been promising to show you how they work. So today I'm going to do a fun and easy demo and we'll make a quick card together. But remember, the techniques I'm using today can be used on any project you want. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and pull my supplies around and we'll get started. Okay, so what I have here is a simple cardboard box that I got a shipment in. I have wax paper that I use to protect my journal on the bottom. If you want to see how I prep and protect my journal, I'll link that video here and below in the description. I use the box to collect any overspray to protect my work surface. And the wax paper serves a couple different purposes. One is it protects the bottom of my box from getting super soggy and having to replace it too often. And two is this was kind of a happy accident, but I discovered that some of the papers from my overspray end up gorgeous and I can use them in lots of other projects, which actually I'll be using this for my tea tomorrow in my teacup template class. Although this video will probably go up after that class has already happened. But and the next thing I have is I lost my train of thought, sorry. I've cut a few scraps of 80-pound watercolor paper into some shapes, and I'm actually going to make some cute and whimsical flowers for my card. And this is like the mat for my card, the background. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start with the leaves and stems. And I'm just going to place those in my splat box here. And those laid out. And you can use these spray inks on different papers. You're going to get different results on different papers. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shake my ink up really well because the pigment likes to settle a little bit on the bottom. I'm going to start with Lucid Lime, and I'm just going to go ahead and, whoop, the force of the spray sometimes moves these really little cut pieces. And, okay, come on, get down there. So I've got really nice saturation of color with the Lucid Lime. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of the Opulent Olive just for some darker spots to kind of give the leaves a little bit of a varied look. Next thing I'm going to do is carefully remove my pieces and set them aside to start drying. Oh, that's okay. There's going to be a light spot on that one. And I'm just using a palette knife just to kind of help lift them, but you don't actually have to use anything like that. I'm having issues here. But now I have all this beautiful ink on the bottom of my box. So I am going to grab some tags. I always keep some tags nearby. And I'm going to use them to sop up some of this extra ink. And I'll be able to use the tags either on this project or on future projects. And I just kind of keep a stack next to me, and then once it's got enough ink on it, it's got enough interest, I'll, you know, turn it into a project. I'll show you a few of the ones that I've made. So aren't those pretty? Some of them are finished, some of them I'll probably add more layers to, but they end up just absolutely gorgeous, and they make cool, fun elements for mixed media projects, greeting cards. I've made some into bookmarks, just all kinds of things. If you don't want to use tags, I'll link the tags in the description box below, but if you don't want to use tags, you can just use scrap pieces of, you know, different papers, cardstocks, watercolor paper, whatever you've got on hand. And I really oversprayed these. But I'm going to go ahead and finish stopping this up off camera. and then I will come back and show you some of the petal work. Okay, I'm going to do the petals next. I've laid them out already in my splat box. For this, I'm actually going to use Poppin Pink, and for the Poppin Pink, I'm going to kind of go everywhere, but mostly focus on making sure I have this along the top. So these have a bit of force. Come on. Alright, I'm having a little bit of an issue here. Okay, so got the Poppin Pink, and then with the Boisterous Blackberry, I'm going to try to concentrate this more on the lower end of the leaf so I get a kind of a blend going up. And those should dry really pretty. But I'll go ahead and finish up the rest, and I'll do the flower centers off camera, and then I will come back and show you how I pull everything together. Oh, actually, no, first I'm going to show you the background, and then I'll show you how I pull everything together. All right, I will be right back. Okay, welcome back. So for the background, I actually really want that soft, misty sprayed look, and I want it to kind of be on the subtle side. I've chosen colors that are going to pop against my flowers, so I kind of went on the other side of the color wheel, and I'm going to use Sassy Sunshine. So since I only want that misty look, I'm going to spray from a little bit higher, and I'm going to use much less ink. So I just want like that. And then I think I'm going to add a little bit of Glimmering Gold here, so that I end up with some shine. And actually, you know what? Let's add some Captivating Copper. Yeah. So that'll look really pretty in the background of my flowers. So I'm going to actually use my heat tool to dry all of these elements off camera, and I will come back and show you the finished card. Okay. Before I move on, I wanted to see if I could capture that beautiful shimmer on camera. It's kind of hard to capture on video, but you can kind of see it. It's really lovely in person. But once again, I'll be right back with I'm back, and card is finished. I went ahead and made a second flower with slightly different shaped petals. On that one, I used the Glorious Grape and the Passionate Purple. Centers were made with the Luscious Lemon and the Lucid Lime, and I added just a tiny, tiny thin sheer layer of texture paste so that it would actually pick up the color underneath, as you can see. And then I spritzed just a tiny bit of bronze on there for a little bit of added shimmer and shine. Inks are now available at a very fabulous price. They probably won't be this low again. Links in the description will be in the box down below. If you've got any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments or reach out to me directly. I'm always happy to answer questions. I will be coming back soon with even additional techniques and projects with our fabulous and fun new spray inks. And I hope you will join me next time. Once again, links for everything are in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and all that good stuff. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will see you next time. Bye.